Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You will need moisture-proof underlayment or vapor barrier when there is a chance of moisture migrating upward from a concrete slab, tile, or cement board. Even a wood subfloor or flooring over a crawlspace or other non-climate controlled space can be subject to rising moisture.
Take our lead.
Best underlay for laminate flooring is foam because it is simple to install, it is a good sound barrier, and is very cost-effective. Some best foams have attached additional layer which functions as the best moisture barrier. Best foam which can be attached to laminate also ensures that floor is not so cold.
Take our lead.
To get the most out of your laminate flooring, it needs to be dry, level and clean. To ensure your floor from letting in moisture, you must let the concrete cure for 30 days. It needs an excessive amount of time to fend off moisture.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Begin installation by laying a plastic vapor barrier, minimum 6 mm thick, or any other manufacturer recommended barrier on the concrete subfloor to prevent moisture from reaching the laminate flooring. Use vinyl tape to secure the barrier and keep it from coming out.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.